You can see it coming over the lake now. It's just shooting. It's just totally shooting.
Oh, look at the trees by the highway.
All right, look at there.
Look at the highway trees.
Oh, the power line just went out.
Power line just went out. Look at them. The power lines. I'm getting every power line out.
This is cool.
Shit's gonna
Here it
happen.
comes.
Here it comes.
Here it comes. Here it comes. It's right out here. I'm 10 feet from it, and all the electricity, all the power lines are going. Here it is. Here it is. It's going right out across. You can see the stuff flying.
Right across.
You can see the stuff flying.
What bay is this?
Look at this. Look at it.
Yeah.
You can see it.
Right out here. You can see it for yourself.
You can see it. It is totally incredible.
This is so sweet.
Don't stand by the windows.
Where's John?
Just totally incredible. It's right outside.
Oh, there goes Bob's boat.
Oh, I hope not.
Whoa, look at that shit.
Okay, get away from the windows. Get away from the windows. Tree just blew over.
Bob, look at that tree over there.
Look at the top.
Get away from the windows. Get away. Get away. Get away.
Get away.
Get away. Where's everybody?
Where's everybody?
Where's everybody? It's devastating. It's just totally shot.
Rise and Silver, Jim Downey's house. The tornado's right here at Carl Products. I'm right here with them, 100 yards from it, Debbie. Where you at? Get everybody inside because this is one big...
It's blowing aside because they're not that better. This thing has gotten larger and larger. There's debris all over the place, and it's definitely coming right into the southwest corner of the city.
Okay, I'm on 60. I'm going to try to shut off everything coming in. It's a quarter mile north of the railroad tracks, a half mile west of Price Road.
Duty shut down 152.
Okay, it's kind of stationary right now at this time. It is moving to the northeast, mainly east. Not very fast. It's stationary right now.
This is spectacular. This is spectacular. We have debris thousands of feet in the air. There are flash fires on all the high tension wires. We're about 3/4 of a mile from the actual touchdown at this time.
With its vortex breakdown, helical vortices, single suction vortex structure, and 30-foot trees ripped out of the ground, many people consider this view of a tornado to be the best ever taken.
Go, shoot it. Better floor it, you better floor it. Shoot it.
We're all right. Just stay ahead of it.
You're okay, you're okay. Keep going, man, keep going.
For sheer human drama, this may be number one for a long time to come.
Get up underneath the girders. Get up under the girders.
Is that where you want to go?
Yes. Underneath the girders. Keep rolling, Ted. It's coming at us.